Welcome guys in the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to modeling text in Revit. Let's join the unit, type your in and enter. Let's select the meter and then OK. So now I'm going to create a wall. So to write the text you have to have a wall or something surface like that. So I'm going to write my text on the wall, so that's why I'm going to create the wall. Okay, so let's see in 3D. Okay, let's change to realistic. Okay, this is the wall that now I'm going to write a text on this wall. Okay, or you can text write something like billboard. So let's select the workplace. Okay, and move the cursor to all around the wall, blue line up here. Okay, all around the wall a blue line up here. Okay, and then from here click to model text and now type your text in here. What do you want to write on this wall or billboard? Okay, I'm going to type I love Indonesia because I live in Indonesia, so I love this country. Okay, so now you write your text in here. You can edit, you can change the material if you want to, and from here you can change the text font if you want to. So I'm not going to change you can change the text size from here. So let's change to 0.8 maybe, and if you want to make bold or make italic you can change your text. Okay, so now you can change the material or to change the different color. Okay, so let's create something material for this. So let's find something material like this, right? Okay, so let's change to here to fine, and also let's change to realistic. Yeah, this is how it looks, and maybe if we change this material to some material of white, maybe let's duplicate from here all, and from here let's find something material. Let's select this kind of material. Maybe yeah, a material, white material like this. I'm going to just show my text clear. Okay, so now you can see better. And also you can change the text depth also from here. Select the text, and from here you can change the depth of the text. You can see its depth is changed. So let's show you in this angle. So let's change to 5. can see. Now let's change it. Okay, this is how to create a text on the wall or modeling text in Revit. If you like a video like this, subscribe the channel to get more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching.